I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to plan a running route now. First, update Google Maps and give it location and background location access so it can follow you. Once done, pick your start point and drop a pin. Use measure distance to draw a basic line and see the distance. Also switch to satellite or terrain so you can spot trails, stairways, or steep sections. This saves surprises later. Make sure notifications and battery settings won't kill the app mid-run. Now refine the course by adding midpoints and waypoints so the route matches where you actually want to run. You can tap measure distance repeatedly to trace streets, park loops, or trails. Make small adjustments until the total distance matches your target. Add labeled pins for water stops, restrooms, or safe crossings so you know what to expect. Also toggle layers. Traffic helps avoid busy roads. Terrain shows hills, so you can choose pavement versus trail and plan pacing accordingly. Start your run by either following walking navigation or using the map as a visual guide while a fitness app records pace. If you expect poor signal, download the offline map area first. That preserves your planned route. You can run Google Fit or a smartwatch in parallel to capture metrics. If GPS drifts or the route disappears, stop the app and relaunch, toggle location off and on, or disable battery saver to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.